चलिए अभी हम स्टार्ट करेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 ऑफ एनसीईआरटी एक्सरसाइज. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज 2-point charges QA which is 3 microcoulomb and QB which is minus 3 microcoulomb are located 20 centimeter apart in vacuum. मतलब हमें दो चार्जेस दिए हैं QA और QB. इसका वैल्यू है 3 माइक्रोकुलम और इसका है -3 माइक्रो. माइक्रो मीन्स 10⁻⁻⁶ कूलम. They are located 20 centimeter apart. That is 20 into 10⁻⁻² meter apart. What is an electric field at the midpoint of the line joining the two charges? ठीक है, हमें निकालना क्या है? We need to find out what is an electric field intensity at this point O. ठीक है, in the ऑफ द लाइन जॉइनिंग द टू चार्जेस. ठीक है, हमें इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड निकालनी है. सबसे पहले तो हम देखेंगे कि इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड होगी किस डायरेक्शन में. हमारा सोर्स चार्ज क्या है? पॉजिटिव. पॉजिटिव हमेशा इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड कैसे देता है? रेडियली आउटवर्ड, बाहर की तरफ होता है. और नेगेटिव चार्ज इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड कहाँ देता है? टूवर्ड्स. ठीक है, तो ई बी भी इसी डायरेक्शन में होगा, आप देख सकते हैं. ठीक है, पॉजिटिव चार्ज इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड किस डायरेक्शन में देता है? बाहर की तरफ. नेगेटिव चार्ज इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड किस डायरेक्शन में देता है? टूवर्ड्स. ठीक है, ठीक. और यहाँ पे हमें कैसे दिया है? देखिए, QA आउटवर्ड, QB टूवर्ड्स द सोर्स चार्ज. टूवर्ड्स द सोर्स चार्ज डेफिनेटली EA और EB किस डायरेक्शन में होंगे? सेम डायरेक्शन में होंगे. ठीक है, तो जब नेट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड निकालोगे आप O पे, ठीक है, सो दैट वुड बी द वेक्टर सम ऑफ दिस. बोथ आर इन द सेम डायरेक्शन. राइट, सो अभी हम वैल्यू निकालेंगे. EA कैसे निकालेंगे हम? KQA अपॉन RA² एंड EB क्या होगा? KQB अपॉन RB². अच्छा, RA एंड RB क्या होगा? RA ये डिस्टेंस रहेगा. ठीक है, सोर्स चार्ज टू द टेस्ट चार्ज. दिस इज RA. एंड व्हाट इज RB? सोर्स टू द source charge to the test charge. This is RB. And since this is a midpoint, so this becomes 10 centimeter and this also becomes 10 centimeter. Yes or no? Fine. So EA और EB को हम जब कैलकुलेट करेंगे, see I have done here for you. A चार्ज हमारा 3 माइक्रोकूलम है, B चार्ज हमारा -3 माइक्रोकूलम है. वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट व्हाट इज़ एन इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी एट पॉइंट O. सबसे पहले हमने डायरेक्शंस बताए हैं. पॉजिटिव चार्ज इधर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड देगा, वो किस डायरेक्शन में होगा? टूवर्ड्स राइट साइड, है ना. B चार्ज जो होगा इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड किस डायरेक्शन में देगा? वो भी राइट साइड, सिंस दिस इज अ नेगेटिव चार्ज. Fine. And since this is a midpoint, so this distance 20 centimeter is divided into two half. So we have written RR and this R value is 10 centimeter which is equivalent to 0.1 meter. Now electric field at point O due to the charges A and B we need to find out. तो EA क्या होगा? KQA upon R². Fine. R² की वैल्यू क्या होगी? 0.1. KA की वैल्यू सभी पता है, 9 into 10⁻⁹. QA क्या दिया है? 3 माइक्रोकूलम, दैट इज 3 into 10⁻⁻⁶. So this value comes out to be 2.7 into 10⁻⁶ and unit is Newton per coulomb. Now electric field due to point B निकालना है. So that is KQB upon R². R will remain same since this is a midpoint. K value we know 9 into 10⁻⁹. What is QB? That is 3 into 10⁻⁻⁶ again. So no need to write negative because we have already signified the डायरेक्शंस. प्लीज ध्यान रखना उसमें. सो टोटल इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड वुड बी इक्वल टू व्हाट? EA प्लस EB. सो दिस रिजल्टेंट दैट इज 2.7 into 10⁻⁶ प्लस 2.7 into 10⁻⁶ comes out to be 5.4 into 10⁻⁶ न्यूटन पर कूलम. दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फॉर B पार्ट. इफ अ नेगेटिव चार्ज of magnitude 1.5 into 10⁻⁻⁹ coulomb is placed at this point, what is the force experienced by the test charge? See, now the second part is like this. We have the charges, that is 3 microcoulomb here and B as -3 microcoulomb here. Initially O point was given, but here the charge has been kept here, 1.5 into 10⁻⁹. Initially there was a point, now there is a charge. We know that the net electric field was in this direction, that was EA plus EB, and that was ultimately 5.4 into 10⁻⁻ plus 6. 5.4 into 10⁻⁶ Newton per coulomb. Fine. So now what would be the force experienced by this charge we need to find out. Fine. Now total electric field, we know that. What is the total electric field? 5.4 into 10 raised to 6 Newton per Coulomb. Now force is equal to, we know that, Q into E. Fine. So this becomes what? Ultimately minus 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 9 into 5.4 into 10 raised to 6. Fine. So negative sign only indicate what? That the force and the electric field are opposite to each other. ठीक है, देखिए ये हमने किया. Force on the test charge we need to find out. So electric field is given to us 5.4 into 10 raised to 6, and negative test charge has been kept here. Please, this is the negative. Fine. This test charge here which is kept, and the test charge value is 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 9 Coulomb, which is negative. Mind well. Fine. When this is negative, definitely electric field and the force are opposite to each other. We have already done F is equal to minus QE. What this negative sign indicate? That the electric field and the force are opposite to each other. So if the net electric field is in this direction, the force would be in the opposite direction. Fine. So electric field and the force on this negative test charge would be opposite to each other. Fine. So F is equal to Q into E net we have written. E is already we have found, that is 5.4 into 10 raised to 6. What is the value of Q? 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 9. Since test charge is negative, so negative sign has been kept here. Negative sign only indicates that the force is opposite to electric field. And if you need to write down the direction is towards OA. Direction is towards OA, or just you write towards A. Fine. Now come to the next question. Now the next question is, the system has the two charges, that is 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 7 and QB as minus 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 7 Coulomb, located at the points. Fine. Now what is given to us? We have the two charges that is located along z-axis. Can you see the coordinates? That is 0, 0, minus 15, and a B point is 0, 0, plus 15. So this is a 3 coordinate system like this. Fine. Suppose I take z-axis like this here. Fine. Now we have the 2 point charges. One is QA, which is resides at which point? Minus. So it would be here. Fine. QA is, that is 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 7, located somewhere here, 15 centimeter. That is 0, 0, minus 15 centimeter. So this is along which axis? Z axis. So we have recalled this axis as Z axis, and QA is resides here at which distance? Minus 15. So somewhere here. Fine. Now B point is, QB is, that is minus 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 7, located at 15 centimeter. So this is 15 centimeter. Again this is 15 centimeter. And you can see that these are equal and opposite charges separated by some finite distance. We call this as a dipole length. Fine. What you call this? Dipole length. And what is the value of the dipole length? Dipole length is 30 centimeter. We know that 15 and 15 comes out to be 13 centimeter. That is 30 upon 100, that is 0.3 meter. Fine. So this we get actually the dipole moment. Fine. And dipole moment has a mod, that is a magnitude of the charges 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 7. And what is the dipole length? 0.3. Fine. And we need to find out what is the total charge. Total charge is ultimately 0. One is positive, another is negative. We need to find out the electric dipole moment. We know that the formula for the electric dipole moment is magnitude of any one of the charge into dipole length. This is dipole length. What is the magnitude of the charge? You can take 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 7. What is the dipole length is? This is 0.3. Fine. So this comes out to be what? 0.75 into 10 raised to minus 7 Coulomb meter. Okay, we need to write down the direction also, because we know that electric dipole is a vector quantity, and we already know that the dipole always moves from negative to positive, right? So negative charge to positive charge. So that this would be the direction of electric dipole moment, that is along negative z direction, which is denoted by minus k. Fine. देखिए अभी इधर सोल्यूशन किया है, जरा देख लेंगे. See, we had two charges. A, at point A we have written the charge 2.7 into 10 raised to minus 7, and at B point we had the charge minus 2.7 into 10 raised to minus 7. Fine. This is, A is kept at negative direction and B is kept at positive 15 with respect to the center. Fine. So this dipole length comes out to be 30 centimeter, which we generally denoted as 2A. Fine. This is the dipole length. What is the dipole length? 0.3 meter. Fine. Now QA and Q are equal and opposite. So what would be the total charge? That would be always 0. We know that. So Q total would be 0. Now we need to find out what is an electric dipole. Formula is mod of Q into, either you write 2L or 2A. Fine. This way also we can write mod of Q into 2A also. So this is mod of Q, that is 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 7. What is dipole length? 0.3. So this comes out to be what? 7.5 into 10 raised to minus 8 coulomb meter. So negative sign indicate what? The direction of an electric dipole, which is always from negative to positive. So we have written minus k as a direction, fine, which is along negative z direction.